Hi friends!
Hi friends,
I'm Diana
and I'm Lila.
and Valentine's Day is coming up, so we thought it would be fun to make our very own Valentine's Day card. So what we'll do is we'll grab a piece of paper and we're gonna fold it in half. So the easiest way to do that, I think, is just to take your paper from the bottom and then fold it gently to the top and take these two bottom corners and match them up to the top two corners right there. Once those corners are matched, then go ahead and put one finger in the center up there. And then take one finger down here. And then go ahead and swipe your finger to the right and swipe it to the left. Gently like that. And there you have your card.
So you can open.
And what we'll do is we'll actually write on our card this way so that we're gonna write our message and our drawing here.
And then you can open it
like this. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna write happy, and then we're gonna draw a picture of two heart-shaped balloons, and then we're gonna write the word day. So it'll be Happy Hearts Day, okay? And you can use, for the letters, you can use colored markers or colored pencils if you want. I'm just gonna use
sparkly markers.
or you can use sparkly gel markers. That would be fun too. I'm just gonna use a regular black one. So let's start by writing the word happy. What's the first letter in happy?
H.
H. Okay, so to draw the letter H, we'll start right here. We'll make a line that goes straight down.
Not thicker.
And then we'll make another line next to it with some space, same length like that. And then we'll draw a line that goes in between. Instead of doing it in the center, I'm gonna do mine a little bit higher just for fun.
I'm gonna do mine.
Okay, and then we'll draw the letter A, and usually an A is a triangle, but I'm gonna make mine into like a curvy A.
Why is it triangle?
Usually it's a triangle on the top like that. But you can do it this way or the other way. And then I'm gonna connect it on the bottom here, just to make the letters more fun. You're gonna have yours in the center. You can do that too. Then P, that's gonna be a straight line. And then we're gonna connect it with the backward C on the top like this.
And then another P.
And another P, correct.
I love to write happy.
And then another C connecting the top. Okay, and then last letter. So we have hap and then E. So the letter Y is gonna be actually the last one. Okay, so for that we're gonna draw.
And it also looks more fancy.
Curve, a U shape, and then we're gonna make a line from the center going down. Perfect.
Cool colors.
Yeah, okay, so now we wrote the word
Happy.
Great. Okay, so how about we'll skip a little bit of room here and then write the word day, and then we'll go back in here and start drawing our two balloon-shaped hearts, okay? So let's continue on, leave some space here, and then right here in this area, we're gonna write day. So for that, we're gonna make a straight line for the D.
I'm gonna do mine right.
Not too far. Okay, and then we're gonna make a backward C connecting from the top to the bottom. And then we're gonna make that letter A now. So that's gonna go up and down. And I like to connect it on the bottom here just for fun. And then the letter Y, so it's gonna be like that shape. So it's gonna be a U shape on the top, like that. And then a straight line from the center going down. And there we have happy and day. Okay, so how about now in the center, we're gonna draw those heart-shaped balloons.
Yeah.
Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna make one big heart-shaped balloon up here and make a little one down here. So for the heart, we're gonna make a shape that goes down like that. So kind of like a
I love to make hearts.
A curvy C shape, and then another one that's going to be the same but going different way.
I like your heart more.
Thank you. I like your heart too. Your heart's very cute. And then on the bottom, so it looks more like a balloon, we're gonna make two loops down here. So we're gonna make a loop going this way and a loop going that way. Two loops, okay? And then we're gonna make a long ribbon or a string going down, curving that way.
Like a J?
Mm-hmm. Kind of like a J. And then let's make another heart, but a little bit lower. So somewhere down here, let's make a heart shape that's like that, a little bit smaller. And the other direction. Okay, and then we'll do that same loop thing on the bottom of the balloon. And then what we'll do is we'll have a string that goes down and it crosses the other one like that.
Like an X.
Mm-hmm. And then to connect these, we're gonna make a bow. So for that, we're gonna make a loop on the right side and a loop on the left. Ta-da, now they're connected, right? And now we can stop here and we can just start coloring ours in, but I thought it'd be more fun to add some faces to the hearts, make them look all fun. What do you think? Yeah? Okay, so for that, let's do on the little guy, on the little balloon, let's draw a face. So we'll do the eyes.
A girl or a boy?
It could be anybody. And then we're gonna do eyelashes that go up. And then let's do some smiley face. And how about cheeks? We'll just make some round circles like that. And then how about we'll add just a little curvy line right there on the top or on the left. This just makes it look more like a balloon. Cute. And then how about little hands, so sticking out like that. And then we'll make a heart shape for the hands, like that.
Heart shape.
And we'll do the same thing on the left side, a line sticking out that way.
Like it's ready to be painted, his nails.
And like that. Ta-da! So there's one happy little balloon. And we'll do the same thing on this one. So we'll start by making the eyes. So make these two curves. And we'll do the eyelashes.
It's like that's the kid and that's mom.
Yeah, exactly. Like if you send it to your friend or to your mom, dad, so anybody.
You can write a message inside.
Exactly.
And you can draw a picture. Right.
Yeah, you could do a lot more. And then, okay, let's go back to this, to the face. So now let's do a U shape for the mouth. And we'll also add cheeks. So 2 little circles, 1 on each side, right here. And then how about we'll make that curvy line over here for this balloon. Okay, and then let's make an arm sticking out that way. And another one on this side. And we'll make heart shapes for the hands. Or you can make circles, you can make little lines, whatever you want. I just like heart shapes. And here we have it. What do you think?
Yeah.
So that's it. What we're gonna do now is we're gonna color ours in. So you can go ahead and start coloring yours in too. I think I'm also gonna add some polka dots, so different dots that are different colors all around to decorate it some more. You can also add more details. You can add more hearts all around. You can do whatever you want. Be as creative and imaginative as you can be. So here are our colored in Valentine's Day cards. What's nice is it's a card, so you can open it and you can write a message in here. You can draw more pictures in here.
I just like to write.
Yeah. And then gift it to a special someone. What did you think, Lila? Did you enjoy this?
Yeah.
Who are you going to give yours to?
I'm not sure yet. Who are you going to give yours to?
Maybe I'll give it to you.
Probably forgot everything because I even forgot when I was.
You already forgot.
Because
you don't know what I'm going to do inside. You don't know what I'm going to write inside, right?
Or draw.
Or draw, exactly.
You can draw like right here, but write right here.
Yeah. Well, thank you so much for doing this drawing exercise with us. We really hope you enjoyed it, and we hope that you gift your card to your special someone. And we want to see how your card turned out too. So please take a photo and share with us. The information for how to do that is below the video. And if you want to see more drawing examples from us, please check out our other videos. Give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel and share this with a friend. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.
We'll see you next time. Bye.
Bye.